have developed a system that gives us a clear overview of the separate elements of the layout of your inside pages. This makes it easy for us to set everything in the requested style. So we need you to prepare your files like this. This is an example. The first thing we do is change the chapter pages. On all chapter pages, you select all the text. Once you did that, you have to change the font size to 24. Done. Next up is the abstract. This is a header 1. So select abstract and change it to size 18. Remove the bold. Then select the plain text and change it to size 12. For introduction, it is the same as with abstract because it is a header 1. Select introduction and change it to size 18 and remove bold. Plain text, size 12. For table, select the title, table and legend and change the size of all of them to size 10. Here we have methods, and as you might have guessed by now, it should be set to size 18 because it is a header 1. No bold. Below methods there is a subheader which is header 2. Select this text and change it to size 16. Remove bold again. As you can see in this example, there are some words in italic. This is an exception. When your entire header style is in italic, you should remove it. But in this case, the italic is used to highlight specific words of the subheader. If that's the case in your thesis, leave the italic words in italic, but don't forget to remove the bold. Apply the following rule. Overall layout styles regarding complete paragraphs or headers should be removed. Specific layout styles to highlight certain words inside the paragraphs or headers should stay. So let's finish the rest of this chapter. Again, change the plain text to size 12. Table as well, change it to size 10. Now we are going to speed up this part. Be aware, the example that we show here is only one chapter of a thesis. The complete chapter took us around 15 minutes to edit. If you don't have time to do all this work in your own file, it is possible to outsource this to us. In our experience, it is best to do it yourself, because you know your file better than anyone, and because of that, you get the best result. We are now finishing up this chapter with the references. This also has some special settings you have to take into account. References is size 18 and no bold, because this is the header. And in the end we have the references themselves. Set the size to 11, not 12. So that's it. We have prepared the first chapter. I will name the most common mistakes people make in their file. Be aware to avoid these mistakes. Chapter pages should be completely selected when changed to the right size. Many people make the mistake that they only select the header, but this will give a wrong outcome in the end. Also, the header from references should be in size 18, because this is an actual header. Another thing that authors get wrong often is that the general header structure in the document has flaws. In our experience, this structure can only be fixed by the author. He or she knows their documents best, so fixing the document structure is best done by them. Attached to the email you have received, there's also a manual which contains all the information we have mentioned here. This example doesn't contain header 3 and header 4. These two headers of course have their own sizes. If you have them, please check the manual and follow up.